Hey, it's Marina, travel experta, and today we're going to talk about hookah lounges and make every day an adventure. So, my goal is literally to make every single day an adventure. And the craziest thing is, you don't have to do really like completely out of this world stuff. It could be stuff that is literally right in front of your face. So yes, we were traveling in Mexico City and just walking around in our neighborhood until bam, right in front of me, there was a hookah lounge. The last time I even thought about a hookah lounge was at least 20 some years ago. It's just completely not even on my scope of anything that I would be interested in doing. But we've been in Mexico City for quite some time, and Mexico City has this huge wide range of yummy restaurants and places and whatnot. But it's pretty much what you could do in any city, pretty, more or less. But I wanted something different. I didn't want to go to another ritzy restaurant or have another taco. Yes, those are great and whatnot. I'm just ready for something different. And when this hookah bar came into my peripheral, I knew right then that I needed to check it out. And that's exactly what we did. And the interesting thing about hookah bars is it's not only for adults. We were able to go and enjoy it as a family. I went there with both of my sons, my 11-year-old, my son's girlfriend, and we bought yummy food because it was an upscale place. I've gathered, like, because I went to look at all the other different hookah bars that were kind of in the vicinity, and that one just really popped out more because of the wide range of food that it offered on top of the hookah bar itself. And they had these outdoor seatings. I've never had a hookah before. Well, I mean, I tried one maybe like 20 some years ago. I remember when we went to Israel. Oh my goodness, like easily 25 years ago. Hookah is a very normal, popular pastime in Israel in many of the different neighborhoods, especially in the Egyptian neighborhoods. So of course, I just wanted to try something different. And it was such a cool experience. Why? Because it's different. So they bring out this huge hookah, right? With the water and the tobacco, you get to choose the flavors. They had at least 15 different flavors to choose from. And we ended up with the watermelon one. And basically what it is you literally just, you puff on it and the water boils and you feel the flavor of the tobacco, but it's very, very, very smooth and very light. And because I didn't believe that it's something that should be prohibited, I permitted my 11-year-old son to give it a shot as well. And it was just such a fun thing to do for my son as well, just to try and puff on it. And my older son was guiding him because, when you're 18 years old, my older son thinks he knows it all and he's tried it all and whatever. He was the hookah master, if that's what he wants to pretend that he is. Either way, it was really cool to just watch my youngest son try to puff on it. He had all this fear going behind it. It was just a super adorable thing for him to try. And you know what? When he is in the security and the safety and the knowledge that me and my husband, his papa, permit him to try it, it doesn't feel like this thing that, oh, wait, they told me no, that I have to go and hide and try it because it's forbidden. It's the forbidden fruit. When you allow your kids to try things with you, like beer, alcohol, even a cigarette. I remember when we went to Havana, Cuba, when my oldest was 8 years old and we permitted him to smoke cigars. I mean, he didn't smoke, but he tried it. And after that, he knew what it was. It wasn't a forbidden thing. Anyways, the whole point is you can make every day an adventure, even if it's the same old stuff, just seeing something new. And yes, trying something that might not be completely permitted by the whole society for you or your kids, just to give it a shot. It's to make that adventure. Now he's going to remember his first time trying it with his parents under a very safe environment, monitored, but it was safe. It wasn't something that he has to go and do extra hard on. And next time, if he is going to find out and see it, he might just try it or be like, yeah, you know what? I tried it. I didn't really like it. But the point is, he's not going to do it out of rebelliousness either. And it was all a fun, really cool adventure experience that we will all remember. And that's what making every day adventure is all about. If you want to hear more cool adventures to try out, make sure that you review the podcast and check it out. And also, I have a ton of free different Make Everyday Adventures list for you on travelexperta.com. Make sure you go to travelexpert with an A.com and you will get your free list there.